That don't count.
Yes, and puking doesn't count either.
If it comes out your nose, you might get a little point.
I don't know, turkey pieces might help.
Should have made a banana or something first. More chunks. Come on, keep going.
Time. Okay, ready?
Oh, that was bubbly.
That's pretty wimpy, actually.
Go.
You can stand back and drink your soda.
I don't like Coca-Cola, though. This is amazing purpose. Fabulous, Taylor! Fabulous! I don't know how to do that. Someday that was little. I can't.
Best one so far, though.
No, that
That's an improvement.
I can't do it with this. I have to do it like Mountain Dew. I'm gonna.
Go. Any line, Nicole. Stay where it stays. It'll help us remember who does what. Stay where you.
I like it. I'll get settled in. You're getting settled in. It's all you fart. Oh my God. I can't. It's not going to I can believe you. Okay, Eliza. Come on, Eliza.
Go.
Coca-Cola's nasty.
We need a first, second, and third place, judges.
Oh, okay. We ain't got none of the above yet.
Well, if it doesn't
Remember last year I burst
get any
it
better.
right after. I cannot burp.
That was Cody.
Super. I can burp good. It settles for like 30 I can burp.
Time.
I can't burp. I need Mountain Dew.
Go.
We should have brought your Mountain Dew.
Whoa, that
You're not it's gone.
doesn't count now, actually.
I know.
Thank you, Roberta.
Just shaking it up.
I don't think that helps at all.
It's up with me. Shake it with me.
Time.
I don't like it when you have to burp, but it won't come out.
Well.
That was good.
That was first place right there.
Yeah, that was.
I know your mother that passed her back up because you were going to throw up on you.
Whoa, she's good.
Time.
Good job.
Go.
I gotta get it off.
Marshmallow chunks be coming out of here. That'd be more like slime.
You never seen marshmallows come out of nostrils?
I've got my nose before.
We don't want to get
That burn. Let that burn.
Running out of time.
Here, my.
That's the next one.
The
next one.
Time.
Okay, Joel's good here.
I got better with water.
Oh boy, here comes Joel.
I have a giant water bottle in it. My mom always gets burpy after I
Yeah. Oh,
Just does the mother proud.
you can tell how he's been raised.
Oh my.
He's a guy. Boys for men.